If you need to cancel a pending transaction on iCloud, follow these simple steps to ensure it is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to your device's home screen and tap on the Settings app. This is where you can manage your iCloud account and transactions. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can view your iCloud information. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all your active and pending subscriptions, including any transactions that are currently processing. Step 4. Find the pending transaction. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. It should be listed under your active subscriptions. Tap on it to view more details. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Once you have selected the pending transaction, look for the option to cancel it. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages to ensure it has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transaction on iCloud. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.